Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the display cover. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the USB board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the two 3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the display panel assembly. Lift the USB board off of its alignment pins on the display panel assembly and remove. Place the USB board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the USB board from the static dissipative bag. Caution: ensure that the speaker cable is free from being pinched between the USB board and display panel assembly. Place the USB board onto its alignment pins on the display panel assembly. Replace the two 3mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the USB board to the display panel assembly. Insert the USB board ribbon cable into the USB board ZIF connector on the USB board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.